Hello English learners, welcome back to Fluent Pathway. My name is Anna.
And I'm Jack. We're thrilled to have you join us today for another insightful lesson that's going to take your English to the next level.
That's right, Jack. Today's topic is not only practical but also essential for anyone stepping into the professional world, especially in accounting.
Exactly. We'll focus on job interviews for graduate or intermediate accounting positions, covering the kinds of questions you'll face and how to respond confidently.
Plus, we'll introduce a range of useful vocabulary and phrases specific to accounting roles.
Ready to get started? Let's begin with a vocabulary preview.
Our first word is CPA CA goals. Jack, what does that mean?
CPA stands for Certified Practicing Accountant, and CA is Chartered Accountant. Both are professional certifications that accountants pursue to advance their careers.
Next, time management.
Time management is the ability to plan and control how much time you spend on specific activities to meet deadlines efficiently.
How about general ledger GL?
A general ledger is a complete record of a company's financial transactions, which is essential for preparing financial statements.
Great. Another term, cloud-based systems.
These are software tools like Xero and Myob that store data online and are used by accountants to manage financial records.
Let's not forget attention to detail.
That means being thorough and accurate when reviewing or analyzing information, a must-have skill for any accountant.
Another important term is analytical skills.
Analytical skills involve breaking down complex information, identifying patterns, and making logical decisions.
Great, we're not done yet. Let's move on to reconciliation.
Reconciliation is the process of ensuring that two sets of records, like bank statements and accounting records, are in agreement. It's a key task in maintaining accurate financial data.
Excellent. What about compliance?
Compliance means adhering to laws, regulations, and standards, such as tax laws. For accountants, it's about ensuring all financial activities are legally and ethically sound.
Let's define audit.
An audit is a formal examination of financial records to ensure they are accurate and compliant with applicable laws and standards.
What are ERP systems?
ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. These systems help businesses manage and integrate their core processes, including finance, HR, and supply chain management.
How about efficiency?
Efficiency is completing tasks with minimal waste of time or resources. In accounting, it's crucial for meeting deadlines while maintaining accuracy.
And finally, deadline-driven.
Being deadline-driven means consistently meeting deadlines, even under pressure. It's an essential quality for accountants who often work on strict schedules.
Amazing! Now that we've covered a robust set of terms, let's move on to a detailed job interview dialogue tailored for accounting roles.
Thank you for coming in today. Let's start with a simple question. Can you tell me about yourself?
Certainly. My name is Sarah, and I've recently graduated with a Bachelor of Accounting. During my studies, I gained 6 months of experience as an intern at a mid-sized accounting firm. There, I worked on tasks such as preparing bank reconciliations, assisting with BAS and GST compliance, and performing balance sheet account reconciliations. I also became proficient in using cloud-based systems like Xero and Myob.
That's a solid start. So why are you interested in this position?
I'm very excited about joining your company because of its strong reputation for fostering professional development. I admire your support for CPA/CA certification, and I believe this role aligns perfectly with my career goals. I'm particularly impressed by your focus on innovative accounting solutions and the opportunity to work with industry leaders.
Excellent. Let's talk about your strengths. What would you say are your key strengths?
I'd say my greatest strengths are my attention to detail and my ability to stay organized under pressure. During my internship, I successfully managed multiple deadlines for BAS reporting, ensuring 100% accuracy. I'm also a strong communicator, which helped me collaborate effectively with senior accountants and clients.
Those are great strengths. Can you tell me about a challenge you faced during your internship and how you handled it?
Of course. During my internship, I was tasked with reconciling several months of bank statements that had inconsistencies. To address this, I systematically reviewed the transactions, identified the discrepancies, and communicated with the team to resolve them. It took a lot of persistence, but I was able to complete the reconciliation ahead of schedule.
It's a great example. Now, let's discuss your technical skills. Are you familiar with ERP systems?
Yes, I have a foundational understanding of ERP systems and advanced skills in Microsoft Excel. During my internship, I created financial models using Excel and automated reporting templates, which streamlined several processes. I'm eager to expand my knowledge of ERP systems as I grow in this role.
Impressive. Lastly, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I'd like to know more about the team I'd be working with. Could you also share how your CPA/CA study assistance program supports employees in balancing work and study?
Great question. Our team is highly collaborative and includes professionals at various stages of their CPA/CA journey. Our study assistance program offers financial support for course materials and exam fees, as well as flexible work arrangements during exam periods.
That was an insightful dialogue, Jack.
Absolutely. Sarah did an excellent job showcasing her qualifications, strengths, and problem-solving abilities.
Let's go through the key takeaways. The first question, can you tell me about yourself, is often tricky. How should listeners approach it?
Focus on your education, relevant experience, and technical skills. Sarah's mention of her degree, internship experience, and software proficiency was spot on.
Agreed. Next, why are you interested in this position? Why is it important to personalize this answer?
Employers want to see that you've researched their company and understand how the role fits your goals. Sarah highlighted her interest in professional development and aligned it with the company's offerings.
What about strengths?
Always back your strengths with examples. Sarah didn't just say she was organized, she gave a concrete example from her internship.
And the question about challenges is a great opportunity to show problem-solving skills. What's the key to answering this well?
Choose a specific situation, explain the steps you took, and highlight the positive outcome. Sarah demonstrated persistence and teamwork in her example.
Finally, asking thoughtful questions like Sarah did leaves a great impression.
Absolutely. It shows genuine interest and helps you understand how the company can support your growth.
That's all for today's extended lesson on accounting job interviews.
We hope this gave you the tools to feel confident and prepared for your next opportunity.
Remember to practice your answers, expand your vocabulary, and tailor your responses to each role.
Thanks for joining us on Fluent Pathway. Don't forget to send us your questions or suggestions for future episodes.
Bye for now.